Greetings. In this video, we're going to talk about how you can build your line action item volume upsell. And this is what I'm talking about, where you provide discounts for specific line items and you say buy two more to get 10% off, and they click this and two more products get added and the discount will be automatically added. And you can tier this discounts into multiple levels, as say buy two more and get 15% off, buy three more and get 20% off. And I'm going to show you how you can set that up using the Checkout Wiz app. So first of all, we need a line action item block. We create a line action item block. And once you click on create line action item, you just give it a name. You can set rules on when you want these discounts to show. You can set this rule same as all the other rules we set on our app, based on cart total, based on products, based on collection, currency, discount code, etc. If you wanted to show on in all instances, you just say no rules applied. And to set up the discounts, you click discounts over here and you enable discounts first thing. You give the discount a name. You can decide for which products to show the discounts. You can either do it on all products, specific collections, or only on certain selected products. You can give a percentage off, which means you can get 10% off, 15% off, or a fixed amount off, which means you can give a $10 off, $15 off, depending on different conditions that you have set. And the conditions that we can set are based on quantity and the subtotal quantity of the individual products that they've added in cart, and subtotal based on the cart total of the eligible items that you're giving discount for. Once you do select subtotal or quantity, you can just create a rule, add a new rule, and then add the minimum quantity and the percentage off that you would get on your minimum quantity. You can customize the text that you see over here using this section over here. And this is essentially how you set up the line action item at discount. It's pretty simple. You just select the products that you want to give a discount to. You select what type of discount you want to give. You select when you want to give the discount, and you set those rules that you want over here, and you click save. This is essentially how you set that up. And lastly, you need to enable the line action item blocks in your live checkout. And to do that, you just customize your checkout from the checkout settings in the Shopify settings and make sure that you have a line action item block added over here. If not, you can just add it by clicking add app. And we have the line action items over here, and you can add that to your checkout and then hit save. Hope this helps. Thanks.